Alrighty! So, episode 3. What do we have here? We have a number line again. That's right. We've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3. And guess what? Which one of these numbers do you think is greater? -2 or -3? Actually, +2 or -3? Well, let's see here. Well, first off, you gotta make sure which one is negative, which one is positive. But even before that, you gotta make sure that you know which one is on the left, which one is on the right. So, -3 is on the left, and -2 is on the right. So what that means is that 2 is greater. Right always wins. Let me put this right always wins. It's always greater. That's how you know, like, say you got like Spider-Man. He's always the right guy. So you got, I'm trying to go Spider-Man. This is Spider-Man. This is the best I could do with his outfit. Yeah, this is a Spider-Man shirt, whatever. And so you always know that right always wins. What that means is that whatever is on the right is always going to be greater than what's on the left. So, there's a way to express this. It's 2 is greater than -3. So what that means is that 2, well, this little thing here means greater than, or is greater than. So, basically, say you've got -3 is less than. This means it's less than 2. There you go. And so, the way to remember it is, there's a little 1 pokey thing here, and then there's 2 pokey things on this side. So what that means is that 1 is always less than 2, and 2 is always greater than 1. Just read it from left to right. And then you always know the pokey things. There's 2 on this side and 1 on this side. So that means that it's greater than. So that's how you know. That's how you know. So anyway, the important thing to remember is also the greater than or equal to symbol. This is really weird. This means that it could be greater than, but it could be equal to. So basically, greater than or equal to -3. So that means that anything greater than or equal to -3 would be like all the way over here. All this is greater than or equal to -3. And it could include this too. So yeah, and then, actually let me undo the circle. Oh, wrong way. This is, let me make it prettier. Apologies. Okay. So anyway, this here is less than or equal to. See that little bar down there? These bars mean or equal to. So, what that means is that say something was like less than or equal to -3. That means it goes all the way over here. Like so, it goes on forever. Less than or equal to -3. And there you have it. Right always wins. Right is always greater. Right is always greater than wrong. Right is always greater than left. And that's how you know these things. Anyway, so thank you for watching. Oh, by the way, being positive. Gotta know one more thing. Positive is right. You don't tell people at school, don't tell you, like, oh, you have to be negative. Being negative is the right thing to do. Like, no! Being negative is not the right thing to do. Being positive is the right thing to do. So because of that, positive is on the right and negative is on the left. Does that make sense? I think so. Okay. Anyway, goodbye. Thank you for watching.